Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign in on Esky account. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to your browser. So right here, I'm currently using Chrome. Okay, so in your browser, check the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen. In there, go ahead and type esky.com.ng and it's going to take you to this fantastic window. So this is the website, official website for Esky. And if you check around, you're going to see a lot of things going on. All right, I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process so that you can sign in successfully. So how do you do that? Head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the login option here. Follow the cursor and click on that. And here you have a lot of login options here. You have welcome to your account, log in and manage your bookings, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email. So which one would you like to go for? I like to go with Google because it's easy and simple. So go ahead and click on continue with Google. And it's going to take you right here into this page where you have to, select your Google account that will be used for this particular purpose. So it's coming right on. So now we're here and let's go ahead to choose an account that we can use. So this is it. This is the account I want to use for this purpose. And now it says by continuing, Google will share your name. Do you like that? I've just gone ahead and click on continue. Okay. Ta-da! So if you check the top right corner again, now you're going to find my name and you're not going to find the login option. This actually means that, oh, I've been signed in successfully. So go ahead and explore all you need to explore on Esky. You have the flight tickets, hotels, car rentals, perfect city breaks and holidays. There are just a lot of things that you can definitely explore to have a great and fantastic flight experience on esky.com.ng. Yeah, so here you go. Go over to star from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.